Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text in Canva quickly and easily. Canva is an awesome tool for creating all kinds of designs, and sometimes the simplest edit you need is just getting rid of some unwanted text. Whether you're cleaning up an old project or starting something new, this little trick will definitely save you time. So first, open up your Canva project. Once your design is loaded, find the piece of text you want to remove. Text elements are usually pretty easy to spot, so just click directly on the one you want gone. When you click it, you'll see a box or outline appear around the text. That means it's selected and ready to be edited. Now, with the text box highlighted, you have two options. You can either press the delete key on your keyboard or right click and choose delete from the menu that pops up. And just like that, the text disappears. One quick tip, if your design has a lot of layers, make sure you've actually selected the correct text box before deleting it. It's easy to accidentally grab another element. And don't worry if you remove the wrong thing. Just use Canva's undo button in the top left corner and your text will pop right back. After you've removed the text, it's a good idea to zoom out a little and look at the full design. This helps you see if the layout still feels balanced and whether you want to add in new elements or make other adjustments. And that's really all there is to it. Removing text in Canva is quick, simple, and makes it easy to keep your projects clean and professional. So yeah, next time you're editing, remember this shortcut. It'll definitely streamline your workflow.